Okay. As always, completely unprepared. Here comes the chat. Ah. I look horrible. Hello, guys. I need to adjust the camera. It's a little bit too far to the left. Sorry. I hope you don't get dizzy. So there's you can see all the stuff in the background. A little bit more up. I'm just about to start here. Okay, is the mic hot? I hope it isn't too hot. I noticed last time, no, this is minus 18. Okay, I will keep it like that. Okay. So let's check what you guys, who is there? Embedded Hobbyist, Ray, Chris, Deshipo, Sebastian, Sniff, Henrik, Peter, Dominic, Johnny, another Peter, all the Peters are here. Tiny LED Matrix, Alex, Crazy Rupees again. Hello. Welcome back, everybody. Andy, Crafter Games HD, Roter Fuchs, hello. Intimate Technology, Alan, Ray, Matthias, another Matthias, I'm also a Matthias, Chaos, John, Chris, oh man, so many people here. Guys, I'm completely unprepared. I wanted to do something. Let me show you the IC. We're here because of this thing here. This is a hocus focus. So this is a dev module, the ESP32-C3 dev kit. And here I'm back again. I got this from SpriteTM. Jeroen, you might know him. He recently published his video about his mini Linux retro computer on the ESP32. This is the IC. Oh, so many people. Cool, cool. So, I have something prepared here. I need to connect my second camera. Where's my HD cable? We are not streaming in 4K today because I want a real-time feedback from you guys, since you guys need to help me today. Oh man, this is a chaos here. Because, okay, so, oh, okay. I need to check if I don't show anything compromising on video, on stream. Okay. My desk is so messy. Okay, where's the second camera? No. Is it showing anything? Is it on? This is not the right one. Let me check what this is. This is capture 4. No. Capture 3. Doesn't show anything. Oh, yeah. there a hair? I can't even see the hair. Okay, guys, this is my fondue cam. So, yeah, I will do. Okay. Microscope plus chat. I need to, maybe I can copy that one. Duplicate that view. Plus cam. And now I will add the fondue cam to this view. This is really silly here. GH5. Okay, yeah. This is, I know. Nice 4K. Oh, this was the wrong one. Nope. Okay, so this is the fondue cam, and you guys will be a little bit shorter, sorry. Oops. Oh, okay. How do I? Okay. So, and we need a text, fondue cam. Text. Fondue cam. Cam TM trademark. Okay, or is it R? Where's the text? Here. It's too big. Okay, let me turn that on so it will heat up already while we talk. Dip the ESP in fondue. No. Okay, I need some scissors. Oh shit. Okay. I sprayed cheesy water all over the place. Fortunately, that's a fondue that doesn't require any stuff that you have to add. And it's my last packet. I bought like 4 or 5 of these. During Christmas, there are always in the supermarkets. There are plenty of fondues, but not during the year. And since they don't spoil until like May, I always get a few because I love cheese. Oh man, that's a mess. Salted caramel vodka, what? So you guys getting comfy as well? I need all the goodness from this packet here. So a little bit. Okay. Oh, there still is some. I don't have a spoon or anything with me. Only this thing here. Am I wasting your time, guys? Okay, so who of you got already the C3 as well? I don't know how many people got like the sample to review it and test it. Added butter. Yeah. The secret ingredient for good fondue is extra butter. Okay, I think we are fine. My lab will stink like cheese for days after this. Oh no, I really need a spoon. Okay guys, I really need to grab a spoon. Be right back. Ah, yes. Yeah, that's great. That is working. Let's center the fondue cam again. Hello, Dustin. Stream video audio is out of sync. Oh, okay. I will just close a lot of stuff because it seems like I have too much going on my desktop, and it's grabbing. Oh yeah, uh-oh. Okay. Close. I will close. Oh no. Okay. I closed your chat, guys. Okay, is it better? No, it's still going on. Let me change the stream settings. I think it might be, yeah, it's completely delayed already. Okay, am I back? Still delayed. My OBS might be struggling with the additional streams. Where is the delay? I see a delay on this camera especially. It's like several seconds. Oh, this is horrible. Oh man, what is causing this delay? I try to close everything, including Discord. Discord is like the typical cause of any delay. Ooh. Okay. Let you hear. Oh. Let me stir that for a second. Oh no. Really? Why is there like a super... Did I do something wrong? Is this camera... No, it's also delayed. And this one? I have no clue why this is delayed. Let me disable the fondue cam or the micro. Let me do the face here again. Okay, so still delayed. What is going on? It's like, is it catching up now? Okay, yeah, Yeah, it's catching up. I think it might be OBS. Yeah, I got this on another screen, not full screen anymore, and now it's catching up again. Okay, whoo! Or maybe it's the multiple sources there. Okay, cool. I will check if we have other stuff. Oh yeah, no, I don't want to start DaVinci Resolve. So mean, the Shipu. Yeah, yes, you can probably just get in the stream half an hour later because I'm so unorganized. Okay, I will close everything, including Blender. Okay, I quit that. Okay. I have no clue why this is so struggling today. Okay. Sorry guys. It's always like, okay, back to the topic. No, it's not a laptop. It's I'm using my super 8-core thing with. Okay, the graphics card is a little bit dated. That might be struggling with encoding or something. Yeah. Stream is back. Oh wait, was I gone? Oh man. Okay. I had problems installing IDF because I have like super trouble. Oh wow, what's happening? I have a super trouble with GitHub recently. It's really slow download speed. It's like my ISP or I don't know is blocking GitHub downloads, and I get like a few kilobytes and it halts completely. So I actually, to install IDF, thankfully I did this before, I had to use an VPN service and log in from Canada to be able to install the IDF properly. Yeah, it's probably my graphics card. But do I have so much going on here that is like so struggling? Okay. Telecom, is it telecom? What do I have to do to do I have to complain at telecom to so they don't limit like GitHub? I'm not sure. Okay, at least it's working from Canada. Okay. You don't see the Fondue cam. Here's the Fondue cam. Fondue looks good. I will add some extra juice. Oh yeah. So IDF is already installed. For the C5, I need to make this smaller. No, wrong. Why is okay? Fondue cam. Okay. Okay. Text. That's the other view now. Okay, where's my desktop? Can I add the desktop here? Oh. Okay. Need to close everything compromising. Okay. Okay. That's the IDF. Okay, you won't see anything. I will change the size of the font. Okay, so we'll be able to read that also on a mobile phone. Okay. So this is where I installed it, and now you need to take the master branch of the IDF to be able to compile for C3. And let me check that. I need to get to the mail. And there are some special compiler options that I have to use to be able to compile for the C3. There's so much going on here. So very smooth mild side. Okay. I need to. Where is? Okay, so there is the IDF Pi preview set target ESP32-C3 as project directly to let the IDF know you are going to target that chip. Okay, great. And now we want to do something. Let me ESP IDF. Getting. Okay, yeah, thanks, Google. And this is the documentation ESP. Okay. Get started. IDF introduction. What you need? We have devkit C. Is this no? That's not the one. Where's the IDF? Get IDF. Oops. That's Windows installer. Okay. Get IDF. Set up the tools for Windows. Okay. Out of sync again? Yeah, it is. It's like, I don't know why, but OBS seems to struggle a lot. Sorry. The only thing I could do is to maybe change. Oh, that's all. I could change the resolution to HD. No, that doesn't work. Yeah, facecam resolution. It's 4K, so it's coming directly from the camera, and I don't want to fiddle anymore. Maybe just turn my face off. Oh no, not the cam. This is important. Fondue cam. It seems to struggle with a lot of sources. Okay, this is better. Oh yeah, let's try. Let's try the fondue. Oh, you can see it. Wait a second. No, I'm not letting you miss the best part here. Fondue cam. That will be all over my keyboard now. Delicious. Don't take, okay. It's either the fondue or, okay, I can change the resolution of the camera here. Let me change the camera resolution, maybe that will help. HD. Okay. That's the fondue cam. Ah. Oh no, it's cropped. No, it's cropped. Oh, that's horrible. It's like fondue cam is now cropped. Okay, I do it like that. That's HD. It's now only HD, and it will work better than 2 4K streams. Okay, completely untested and unprepared. Let's test it live. See you, Leo. Okay, that fixed it a little bit. We could do also the shenanigans to the other camera, but that's something I should rather prepare before the stream. Okay. Installation path. What is this all about? I set up the environment, start a project. CD ESP examples, get started, hello world. Right. Zoom in more like that, so you can see what I'm doing. What is this? iDesktop IDF3. The last time I used IDF, it was like ages ago, so I'm not sure what to do now. IDF path. That's the IDF path. Then we have examples. Yeah. CD. Oh, X copy. So I would just user profile ESP. Yeah, we can simply just use that. Configure menu config. Okay. Examples. Get started. Hello world. Make file and menu config. Oh, wait a second. That wasn't. What do I do here? IDF pi. Set target. There, yeah, that's what we wanted to do. We wanted to set the target first. So you shouldn't overwrite the example or anything, since this is like the base directory. Okay. Okay, it did something. No, it does all the stuff. Ha! Cool. Okay, maybe I should. I didn't even connect the device before, so I don't even know if it works, but it should. It's a nice micro USB port. You guys love it. So I will connect this. Oh yeah, there is some example code. Look at this. It's cycling through colors. If you even can see it, I don't know. Come on. Focus. No. Yes, no, maybe. It's not focusing. Okay, so this is the device. And now we need to use IDF pi menu config. Oh, cool. Color but no detail. Yeah, that's the problem. It's an RGB LED on the device. Maybe I should put it on under the. I have it under the microscope. Let me show it. Here. Okay, it's completely zoomed out, and I will turn the light off. Is it cycling? Yeah, it's cycling. Okay, I'll turn the light on again and turn it a little bit down. Like that. Ah. Yeah. Yeah, it's blown out. You basically can't film LEDs on camera easily. Okay. Well, you can take a look at the LED. It's a smaller type. I didn't see that's not the 50/50 package, LED package that I'm used to. Smaller one, I don't know, maybe half as big as the other ones. Isn't that a beauty? Let's zoom even more. Tiny. Huh? Okay. So was it this? Yeah. So we got our menu config. I hope you can read it. $20.20, okay. Or $35.35. You are the experts. Do we see like a Raspberry Pi somewhere? No. Now after 40-minute intro, we are getting somewhere. So the SDK, maybe I should put it here, right to the Fondue cam, so we see what happens. Oh, there's the font. That's like my Fritz box. And there is a toothbrush I'm using to clean. How do I lock it in place with, yeah, that's with the plate. A complete mess of things there. Okay, so you can see here is the microcontroller. What do I need to have on the Raspberry Pi? Ah, you mean the IDF or what? I wasn't into Raspberry Pis until I got recently. What is the one? Is this a Raspberry Pi? Yes, that's like a Raspberry Pi, a new one. I got this for as a present for Christmas and installed this emulator, this Super Nintendo emulator. Fondue. Okay, guys, we get too distracted here. Oh wow! Look at this. This is the tool chain that's selected. It's RISC-V 32 bits. And it's, I don't know, there is an option, toolchain supports. Sag mal was in Deutsch. Ich werde demnächst mal einen deutschen Kanal erstellen, dann können wir uns auf Deutsch unterhalten. And then back to English again. Oh, this is great. Oh no. Wait a second, I see a hair. That's filthy. Okay, I don't know if I have to check this or not. I just keep the default space enter toggle. Yes. Okay. Escape. Build type. Did anyone use... Did anyone... Damn, no YouTube notification. Yeah, you didn't click the bell. And you didn't miss anything, Sion. Sion, you have been using the IDF before. We are configuring the RISC-V architecture. Did you get your C3 samples already? So Sion is the unexpected maker. He's a super expert in ESP32, and I hope he will be able to help us. Hello, Michael. Yeah, but it has nothing. The German channel that I will create has nothing to do with maker stuff. I just want to do something with my girlfriend, like a couple activities. What, Johnny? This is too sophisticated. I don't know what you're talking about. You got chips and modules, no boards. You are focusing on other new chips. Which one are you focusing on? The new 32? There's like the third version. I got the chips as well, but no modules. Only the dev kits. Ah, Mac problems, sorry. I can't help you with that. Going to be very cool, but too early for much. Okay, so I didn't talk about the... Did anyone see the S3? Oh yeah, S3 is the new one, dual core, I mean the dual core thing. So okay, oops. I have to fix. I changed this to HD. Fix the Fondue cam. Okay, let me zoom out. So what I got here. So what is the C3? I posted specs yesterday. The module is a little bit shorter than the regular ones. It is marketed as the ESP32-C3 killer, since the price tag should be the same as the ESP82-C3 or similar, with way more capabilities. So it's like more like the ESP32, but at a lower price point. And this C3, I saw on their page there's a C3F, which has the flash integrated. So this is the the flash module, which has to be accessed by the IC. But I think I didn't get. Let me check all my modules. No, they're all the same. I have also the IC, some ICs here, but I don't think I got any C3F types. We can take them out of the bag and I have to update my PC. Yeah, you saw the Windows symbol. Oh, okay. Let's kill it with statics here. The ICs that I get. Oh, come on. 4 should be enough, and let's check what kind of IC this is. Hello, James. James, I have tested your method to recover IPA, and it's actually working. I have like a jar on my heating element here, and I already recovered like a cup of IPA from the 5 liters that I used. Oh, I have the F version here. Look at this. Oh, these are all F versions. Oh, that's awesome. Okay. This is, can you read this? ESP32-C3F. So these ones here have integrated flash. Awesome! Oh, I need to test this. So is the Did I spoil everything, Sion? Did you want to use the to do a video on the F version here? I have to change my description because I'm world's first to present the F version. I have to put it on a breakout board and try somehow to set it up. Oh, my fondue is getting cold. I'm not doing C3. Okay, so you're going for the bigger ones. All yours? No, I'm not really making any products. I think maybe small board, video board or something. Oh, I burnt my tongue. It was a little bit too hot. So Sion wants to wants to keep his secrets. Okay, no worries. Let's continue with IDF here. So build type. What is build type? Binary, second stage, bootloader. Okay. I think. Oh yeah. Default binary. Okay, yeah, with bootloader or what? Yes. It's going. No, I hope not. As I wasted the first 40 minutes of the stream. I will end this when the pot is empty. My cheese pot. Paul. Burnt flesh. It's a trick. So who's new product video? Oh, may coincide, may or may not. I'm really happy that your year and with your new pick and place everything is going well, and you're selling thousands of devices already. It's really cool to hear. Okay, what is the application manager? I have no clue what this is. Okay, okay. Bootloader configuration. Okay, yeah, that's important. Tiny Pico with what? RP2040? What is that? Tiny Pico with a Nordic chip. Or Tiny Pico with STM32, but oh no, there are some already, aren't they? New Raspberry Pi MCU? What? MCU? Raspberry Pi? Okay. Let's do the configuration here. GPIO triggers factory reset. GPIO triggers boot from the test app partition. Enable app rollback support. No. Do we want to enable this? We want to brick. Skip image validation when... No. Okay. I think everything is everything is okay here. Security features require sign. No. Enable hardware secure. No. 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 Serial flasher config. Yeah, whatever. Partition table. Oh, that's generate MD. Single factory app, no OTA. Okay, that's good. Compiler options. Debug level. Exceptions, no. Oh, that's all right. Component, oh wow. I hope you guys can read all the text on the screen. So these are the components. Yeah, actually, John, I'm not reading any news on Maker stuff. I should maybe. Raspberry Pi MCU, what's the... What? What are you missing? Should I join your stream with Butterfacts again? I had like super busy weeks, guys. And I did really cool stuff. Let me spoil it. don't want to spoil too much. I hope this shows on camera. So now focus. This is a 3D printed lens. I'm very excited about that stuff. Really, yes, really. It's a lenticular lens. It's not. It's quite coarse, but still working. Okay. Fuse bit, TLS. Oh, look at this. We have a C3 specific option here. No, it's not a Fresnel lens. It's a lenticular lens. You know the postcards where you can tilt them and or they look 3D, or you can tilt them and they move? 3D printable. Focus. Oh, Fondue. Sorry. Most important thing. Out of calibration. Oh no. I need to heat it up a little bit. Let's check the ESP32-C3 specifics. CPU frequency. 160 megahertz is the maximum frequency there. Number of universally administered MAC addresses to okay. Make exception panic handlers JTAG aware. I have no clue what that means. Open OCD debug stubs. Timers used for get time of day function, RTC timer. DC clock source, internal oscillator. Okay. No binary blobs. Okay. Not many super fancy stuff going on there. Ethernet. SPI Ethernet module. Open course Ethernet MAC. What? That sounds nice. Event loop library. HTTP server client. Oh wow, so many stuff. Has to pay for them. What? You got the mid-roll? Oh, sorry. I will disable it. I didn't know that it runs mid-roll ads. No! No! Sorry. Uh-oh. Sorry, guys. I thought it will enable the monetization after the stream. I really don't want to annoy you with ads. Oh man, I'm sorry. You are my core audience, my friends, and I'm annoying you with additional ads. That's bad. Please don't abandon me. Yeah. Fancy fondue. The fondue is like maybe $4 or something. Guys, there is one thing I would recommend you to do. Get YouTube Premium. I'm not watching any ads. I would go crazy watching YouTube without YouTube Premium. It's like a different world. I get ads all the time, so I'm leaving. No, John, please stay. I can turn it off right now. I turned off like overlays, but I can't change this setting at the moment. I'm sorry. I hope you don't get annoyed too much with ads right now. It was like after 1 hour it played an ad or something. I think we will just continue here quickly so we get some results and yeah, okay. Rather go premium than supporting me on Patreon or GitHub or anywhere. That's what I recommend you to do. Don't support me on Patreon or GitHub or YouTube channel memberships. Take that money and invest it in YouTube Premium, and you will get a better experience overall over all channels. Okay, let's compile something. Invest. I'm not. I don't know how much you are watching YouTube, but I usually spend at least an hour on YouTube, and if I would watch like during that hour 5 or 6 ads, ouch, I would go crazy every day, 30 days a month. So the $12 or euros are well invested, and I got free hardware. I got a Google Home Mini, and I got a complete Stadia controller and thingy to plug into the TV. So I get like once a year I get free hardware and YouTube Music, which is just as good as Spotify. So you can cancel your Spotify membership, go to YouTube Premium and use YouTube Music or something. Andy, I influenced you as an influencer. Okay, we have configured it. Now how do I compile it? Oops. Yeah, I don't have Google Mini Mini active. I will get the hardware and sell it on eBay and use that money to fund your next few months of Google Premium. Start a project. Connect to your device. How do I connect? Configure. Yes, we did that. Build the, oh yeah, IDF Pi build. Oh, it's running CMake. Cool. I'm not really a Linux guy, as you can see. So this make stuff and such is rather not familiar to me, at least. Oh, thank you, Andy. I love you too, mate. It does only, Maya, it does only support the C3 and the master build. Not, I think, not the official release yet. Danke. It's compiling quite a lot. Does it recompile everything every time I change something in the code, or is it just for the first compile and then it will only compile the changes? Okay, Python, ESP tool, ports. Run this command, okay. But what is my... oh, run idf-py port flash. Okay. But I don't know which port it is yet. How do I show my ports? Was it told here? Ah, set target ESP. No. No, that's the target compiled. No, where is? Okay, it doesn't show how to find out. I will run Arduino. Find Pause Gerätemanager, yes. Or I will just take a look here. It's COM4. Okay. How do I paste it? Oh, come on. Okay, I will just type it. IDF, I'm so lazy, pi minus p, and was it COM4? COM4 flash. When the LED stops cycling. Okay, I will just reset again here. I will disconnect and reset. Okay. Oh wow, okay. So we changed something, as you can see on the Fondue cam. Oh wow, why is it so hot? It's running really hot there. I don't want to burn my fondue. We can use also Arduino to connect to the serial monitor. No, not COM9, COM4, and see what's happening there. Where is it? Oh yeah. Oh, burnt cheese is delicious. Guys. Okay, so we get a boot loop. I will disable auto scroll and let's check what's happening here. Boot, boot, boot. End of partition, ESP image. Loaded app from partition at offset. Disabling RNG. Can you read this? Or should I make it bigger? Bigger, better. Like that. Sorry. Partition table, Wi-Fi data, pi init, factory app, end of partition table, loaded app from partition offset. Is the offset right? Yeah, that's the right. Entropy source, CPU, project name. Run, detect chip, generic. Detected size. Starting. Hello world, it worked. And then it's, okay, okay. Fondue master. Yeah, I need a, guys, I would have, this week I would have my nephew as an intern, but Corona happened and it was like travel lock. We can't travel like 15 kilometers away from the place we living here, and the region where I live is especially with like R value of over 200, and I couldn't let my nephew come to my lab this week. He wants to be a YouTuber as well. He's 17 and he would he would probably help me creating a video, but it's only postponed. I think we will just do it like around Easter when the situation cooled down. So the example is working, but why is it restarting? Is there in the code, is there a restart or something? Yeah. Well, code. Let's check the code. Visual Studio Code. Oh, wow. That's my compiler. Open editors. Oh, yeah, I don't want to share my folder. Okay, let me just select, edit, open the folder here. It's on the desktop, IDF, examples, hello world, Ethernet, build, no, where is it? Get started there. Hello world. Okay, back to main. Hello world. This is the code. So what is it doing? It's printing hello world, ESP chip info, chip with cores. That's what we saw there. Okay, where's the hello world? Here. With cores, external flash, embedded external. This is external. Okay, so we got this. Let me do side by side. So it's showing here. You get the info. Can I hide this? No, okay. External minimum heap. 330 kilobytes. That's VGA. We can put there a complete VGA frame buffer, guys. What's the VGA frame buffer? Let me calculate. It's like 16 colors and we have 640 by 480 and then only 4 bits. Oh, we can do 8-bit complete frame buffer. Yes, that sounds promising, isn't it? John, you cheated. You read the code. Okay, let's analyze. Restarting in seconds. Oh yeah, it's it's written here. Okay, that's and then we have task delay. Oh, that's something new. V-task delay. Okay, it's basically like the IDF version of delay millis or delay, and that's cool. Yeah, okay, so everything is working here. We are done. The C3 is working properly. What happened to Butterfacts? We need to put a new butter god in charge, because I'm always like either lazy or busy. Oh, Luxio, you are right. It's not the R value, it's the incidence. So the R value was like 2, not 200. Was it? No. Wait a second. I'm confused now. Over 100 incidence is like, I don't know. That would be exponential, wouldn't be. If one corona dude would infect two other dudes. Yeah, free Artos. Okay, great. Do we want to test another example? We are now experts in Hello World. Okay, let's check what else we got here. Blink. We have a blink. Okay. Let's see if blink works. And we only need to configure it, set the target. R2 is not that great. Yeah, please don't take my information for granted. I'm simply confused. I'm doing 5 tasks at the same time here. Oh, I need cheese is cold. I need to get it hotter. Oh no. I still have so much bread here, but the cheese is gone. Where is my cheese? Oh, yeah, I just need to rotate the pot. I just didn't see it. I have a really tasty sourdough bread from the bakery here. Corona dude. Okay, we have selected the target. Now, target. Now we don't need to configure anything. Build. It was simply build. Okay. IDF is less scary than we thought. Incidents in English. Okay. Oh, you only have to set the target globally, or is it the target might be like set in some make file locally? Can anyone answer that, or did I get it right? So do you configure the target platform for globally, or is it project-wise? Ah, for the IDF session. Thanks. Nice. That's making it much simpler. Okay, but how do I use it with my IDE? So if I want, do I have to simply like, can I use here compile from the Visual Studio Code somehow? Yeah, whatever. Hello, Graham. Graham. Aren't you from Switzerland? Or okay, did it compile? Yes, it did compile. So we only need to flash it, and then we have a, oh. Uh-oh. Oh no, we had a problem here. Wait a second. Serial, oh yeah, it's occupied. Sorry guys. Now it's working. Yeah, serial monitor is open. Okay, does it blink? No, it doesn't blink. Yeah, because we have the RGB LED there. The code won't work like that. Let me open like the put a workspace. Open the examples like that. So blink. Let's check menu config. Where was the build type? No. Component, LED. Do you see somewhere the LED configuration? Did it say in the code? Choose the GPIO to blink. Yeah, but if it's an addressable LED, it won't work that simple. Where is the LED? I can see it. Oh, these are like example config. Oh yeah, blink number. The GPIO for is 8. Okay. Did it store? Yeah. Okay. Space enter toggle. Do I have to save as? Yeah. Okay. And we have to build it again. You can type code in the command prompt to open. Oh, thanks, Roter Fruchtzwerg. That's a good tip. I didn't know. I'm a total noob in coding microcontrollers, as you can see. Ivan is here. Hello. Ivan, do you know if the blink example will work with if I set it to GPIO? No, it will because it looks like it's an addressable LED. Okay. No, it won't work. So Ivan Gogotkov is from Espressive, and he probably did a lot of the code, if not. Yeah. So Ivan, do you know how to get the blink? Is there a special blink? No, it's simply high-low, isn't it? Yeah. It won't work with this addressable LED that's on the device. Will it? So I can maybe show it again. So we have. Oops, sorry. Oh. Ah! Yeah. It's an addressable, isn't it? Because otherwise it would be like. Ivan, I put you as moderator, so if you want to paste any links. Why is Maya not a moderator yet? Okay. Blick example, yeah, addressable LED. Oh, LED strip. Okay, yeah, we will do that. Where is it? The LED strip. So that's blink, get started. Peripherals, protocols. Can I search here? No, that's not searching. Examples. Peripherals RMT. LED strip. Okay, cool. Let's try it. Main. Here. Channel. Do I have to set? So is it in the config, in the menu config to set the channel? Oh, to set the GPIO for that? Change cam. Oh, sorry. Boop. Okay, so this is the example. The strip. It says it's channel microseconds. I don't see any configuration. It says like TX channel. Maybe it's in the menu config. So that was what was this peripherals? Where's the menu config? Okay, is there example configuration? Oh yes. Okay, one LED. That's cool. So the make what is configuring this menu config? So is it stored like the options in makefile, or what is this? I'm really not familiar with the IDF, but I have a steep learning curve, let's say. And the GPIO was 8, was it, for the LED? Okay, save. SDK config, okay, cool. I'm messing with the original code of my IDF. Usually you would have to copy that example, but let's try. Yeah, sorry. It's config file in the project folder. Maya, you turn out to be an expert in the IDF coding. How is that? It doesn't look so awesome anymore. Hello! Do 6FP, degrees of 6 freedom points. What is this peripheral, this RMT, real, no, RMT, it doesn't sound familiar. RMT, I have to open, check that. S2 projects. Oh yeah, okay. Oh wow. So that's something new to me. It's the remote control. Yeah, I didn't use that before. Interesting. And that's used to control addressable LEDs. That's cool. Okay, cool. I should read more documentation. Okay, I think it's built. Let's flash. Oh. Failed, what? Oh, fatal error. See, not ESP, wrong chip. Oh. What? But I set the target. Okay, I will reset the target. Not sure what the problem was again. Do I have to rebuild it again? Let's just rebuild it. Yeah, but I did the set target, so I have to set it to each individual subdirectory, Ivan. So that was the question before. If I have to set it for each example that I'm currently messing with. Oh, before you set it to ESP32? Did I? Okay. Yeah, I'm messing around. Sorry, guys. Sets it for the current project. Okay. Yes. First-hand information. So Ivan, how heavily are you involved with the C3? Environment. Okay, IDF target. What parts of the development are you taking? I know you do a lot of code, but I'm not sure how much. Okay. Where's my flash there? Okay. Okay, it didn't work. Let me check menu config again. Okay. Okay, it reset it. Yeah, I have to reset the menu config after I set the target. Okay, great. Now rebuild. No, it's not blinking, Maya. So after changing the target, you have to reset menu config options again. It seems like so, or I did something. Oh, is it too louder, please? Louder! Okay, everyone, it's minus 20 dB, okay? Better, more, it's minus 15. I don't want it to like blow off your ears. Okay, that's minus 10 is the most I can do. Which touchdown? Did I miss something? Did we have like a SpaceX launch today? Ah, what? Where's my flash? Ah, yeah, that's the touchdown. Here. It's working. Okay, let's see what the code does. Rainbow chasing pattern. Okay, it doesn't look like a rainbow chasing pattern, but it's working. Blinking. Oh, that's cool. Okay, that's really cool. A seizure, yeah. It's like disco music here. Yeah, see you, Maya. Thanks for joining in. Ah, there's some more cheese here. So the good stuff is we got the IDF running with the examples, and now okay, it might be that it depends on the count of the LEDs. Let me change the count to 100. What is the Pi menu config? We could connect an actual LED stripe or something. That's on I can connect the matrix from my last lamp. I just need to get some wires here. There are some. A breadboard, some jumper cables, and we can connect an actual LED strip. Okay. Pin 8 is broken out, so look, it fits nicely on a small breadboard. Huh. We only need 5 volts ground. Is there a 5 volt pin? 5 volts is down here and ground is here. Okay. We only need to power like that, and then pin 8 where is pin 8? Pin 8 is also broken out by the dev kit, and okay, so this is the LED. Now we can change in the menu config to a higher count, but not too high because I don't have a power supply connected. Number of LEDs 10. That should be okay. Save. Okay. Build. It's too cold. LED wall. G5 5G triggered what? Paul. So I'm wondering if we can compile a version of WLED for the C3. Oh yeah. Okay. It is cycling somehow. Maybe I changed something in the code. Chase, task delay, speed, MS10. Okay. Rebuild. My cheese is melting again. Ah, okay, the rebuild is much faster. Where's my... Something might be off there. it looks like the LED strip example might be using another clock speed, because we see like there are few LEDs skipped. Let me check the code. Hue, okay, no. Number, no, it's +3. It's doing that no, it's working properly. Okay, let's test every LED. Everything is alright. Oh yeah. And there is like an strip J. Ah, you see, okay. That's an offset. Offset is 3. Ah, okay. Yeah. It's basically like moving. And then it won't move anymore when I do this. Oops, that's the wrong. Oh. Did it build automatically? Oh, yeah. I did some. Okay, the blinking is really. I need to turn clear strip. Yeah. Okay, messing around. Let's test. Okay, it does the rebuild step on its own. Cool. Okay, I think I'm slowly wrapping my head around that. Oh, Ivan told me. Build flash monitor. What? Okay, yeah, my chat didn't scroll down. That's cool. Let's try this. Monitor as well. IDF. Okay, so does it store the COM4 anywhere? I don't know. Build flash. I didn't know. Okay, let's see the monitor. Ah, cool. Rhomboid. Oh, that's cool. That's like a premium lecture here by the devs, expressive devs themselves. That's cool. Yeah, Sprite wanted to join, but it is 4 o'clock in the morning for him, so he's sleeping. I will schedule my next stream about IDF coding, so he is able to join, because I want to dive in the peripherals more. You have an unused bit. Then you can rebuild and reflash using Control T and Control A. Control T, wait a second. am I here? Control T. No, where? Wait a second. Did I miss something? Okay. Rebuild, reflash. Control A. No, that's not from the monitor. Not sure if that works on Windows though. That would be super nice. Then I can develop and monitor at the same time, like that. Let's change something. Refresh. I really want to see, is there a minimal circuit somewhere presented for the F version of the IC? Because that could be a challenge to set up like on a small breakout board the F version of the IC. So I can see actually how small of a board I can build with that without an antenna, because most of the time, okay, I'm using Wi-Fi quite often, but the ESP32 on its own is so powerful. I don't even, if I don't need like Wi-Fi, I could use like the small IC. Because it has everything integrated, the F version. And I'd be also interested what the price tag is of the F version. And the last question about the F version is, if I get... No, it's working over SPI, so... Do I get more GPIOs? No. They are simply wired internally, aren't they? Like the D3 or what was the version that Xeon is using for the... Oh yes. That's why you are you are a moderator now, so we get the links. Where does this window open? Here. Oh wow, so many shortcuts. Okay. German keyboards. there. Exit. Send the menu character itself. Okay. Exit character. Reset. Oh, interesting. Build and flash the project. Control F. Okay. No, that doesn't work on Windows, but let me check the link again. No, I don't see it working. Can I exit it at all? No. Okay. I can't even exit it right now. What's the closed bracket? Control Alt closed bracket. No, it doesn't work. The list and the other link. Okay, yeah, control closed bracket. It's on German keyboard is a little bit hard since you need to also press like this, but the menu, yeah, so I have the same problem here. So Control C. No, I don't have I turned on English support because some apps would switch. Yeah. It doesn't do anything. No! It's broken! Control and anything. No! No! Alt Shift change the language. Yeah, I don't have any language packages installed. No. No, I can't. Okay, what was the other solution? Just exit. No, in menu. What's the... Okay. Control and X. I press Control and X. Nothing happens. Can I... Maybe I need to send some comment here. No. Properties. Let me check the terminal. Maybe there are some options. Oh, legacy console. Oh. Okay. No. I tried to disable the command controls here. Doesn't help. Okay, Control and 5. No. I'm lost. Control X, Control 5, Control. Ah! It's gone. My IDF is gone. Okay. I need to change quickly the view, otherwise I will share too much of my my personal files. Here you can take a look at the nice microscope. It's too dark. No, it's lost. Where are the ICs? Here the FIC. It's too close. You can look at the why I am starting. I didn't restart the IDF since I installed it, so I don't even know. It should be under, where's my personal files? IDF3. Desktop CDI. IDF3. I lost all my history, my comment history. Or was it a special bash? No, wasn't. Okay, I need to figure out how to use it. IDF, CD examples, CD peripherals. MTC strip. This strip here. Sorry. So we are back here. What was it? No. IDF pi. That's not the right bash. Ah, that's the right command prompt. Ah. No. Okay, I need to check if there isn't treating with hammer. Or threatening with hammer. Okay, that on Windows. Okay, I can try again. IDF flash. No, it doesn't have flash ports. What was the port COM4? 4. No, it wasn't. What? Is it still open somewhere? Let me detach it. It's probably the other IDF is still running in the background somewhere. I need to check that later. What? Oh, failed. No, it's still. Yeah, that's a. Where's the host? No, I killed the wrong one. There's somewhere. Or did I use the wrong port? No, it's COM4. It's the right one. There's somewhere the IDF in the background. I need to find the task. Where's the IDF? IDF Pi. Okay, let me check if Arduino can connect. No, port busy. What? There's somewhere a task with the port open. Let's check the chat. Okay, we have some Python tasks. We kill all Python tasks. It's a bad bet and best bet. That's oh no, that's not the right one. Host. Let's test again. Oh yeah, it's working again. Okay, so it was the Pi task. IDF. Boop. We are back on track, guys. Examples, peripherals. Yeah. Okay. Paul, I will put you as moderator as well. So your comments won't be held back. Oh, there's some crusty cheese at the bottom of my pot. Oh, that's quite hot. Okay, guys, let's not waste our time with trying to figure out what the key codes on Windows are. I'm already completely satisfied with the state of that work here. Is there anything we should try? Shall we check what examples we got in the IDF? Maybe Wi-Fi. I would love to see one last example, a Wi-Fi example here. How that works with the C3. So we got, oh, USB. Oh. I'm wondering how well the USB works in the C3. Can we program it over the internal USB? And can we OTG? There aren't host capabilities, are they? Check back for Wi-Fi support in a few days, not on GitHub yet. Okay, Ivan, thanks. That is something to look for. Do we have sigma delta I squared S? That's interesting. Triangle sine wave. Yeah, but the as far as I know, the C3 doesn't have an internal digital to analog converter, does it? Okay, let's check the specs. Didn't we have somewhere the spec sheets of the C3? That's too much here. Woohoo! Electro pages, technical doc. Oh, I downloaded it. I downloaded it earlier today. Oh, there is the datasheet. Cool. Latest version. Let's take a look at the. So these are the FN and FH versions. I only knew probably different sizes of flash. Okay, so let's take a look at the specs. We have, of course, support station mode and soft AP mode and a mix. That's nice. Then so we can like implement a grid or something. Bluetooth low energy subsystem with Bluetooth 5. I think Bluetooth 5 is new. It was Bluetooth 3 on the ESP32, was it? State of the art. I saw a video on the Espressive YouTube channel that they have like human detection feature. I can imagine that they just do like interference pattern of the Wi-Fi or something, that, like a spectral analysis or like Fourier transformation, and when there is something changing, they assume there is a person moving in the room. It's like I think that feature might be inspired by one video that Charles Lohr did with his where he mapped the Wi-Fi field with a CNC, because that also like demonstrates that how the electromagnetic field is distributed in the space. So whenever something is changing in the room, probably the resonance and all the distribution of this electromagnetic field is also changing. So, but that's like only a guess. I don't know for sure. Temperature ratings. Okay. Okay. What I like the most is that there are 400 kilobyte of RAM. That's awesome. That is like that's really good for my frame buffers. So we have quad SPI. There are two, no. Chip, dual SPI, quad SPI, security features, random number generator. Oops. Memory encryption, yeah, that's okay. Specifical project, the most specifical. What do you mean by that, Nicholas? HDMI not possible. You can't get the frequency. You need like a clear. There is no cheating in HDMI because you have checksums or parity bits in the data stream. So I would be thinking, okay, you have a certain frequency that you have to reach in this serial protocol, and then you have to like match the parity of that, and this IC is even slower than the ESP32. It's only 160 megahertz compared to 240 megahertz, and the pixel clock alone is 120. Okay, if you do a pixel clock of VGA, which is supported by HDMI, it's like already 27 megahertz, and for R, G, and B, you have 3 channels, and each are 10-bit on HDMI, because you have the parity bits or something, and that's already like out of range for any clock in the ESP32. I'm not sure. It wouldn't work. I never say never, but you had PicoPi can do HDMI. They overclocked it. What? Oh no! Oh no! What? That's mean. That's crazy. Yeah, I don't need to start here anymore. That's cool. Yeah, that's what I meant. You have that's 25 times 10, but then you have, okay, there's you can see on the image. We can see it directly on the image. Oh, okay. Whoa. Sorry. I just zoomed in. Can I? No, I can scroll it here. So these are the 4 differential channels here. You have 4 differential channels. So you have probably, they have like parallel 8-bit output where they simply can do the 10 bits at this rate, 25 megahertz for the, yeah. my phone. No heat sinks. Oh, that's crazy. Wow. Okay. I think I need to catch up with the current state of development on microcontrollers. Oh. No heat sinks. No, they didn't miss the comma. The 25 megahertz is for the pixel clock, but you have 10 bits per color channel per pixel that you have to send. So the actual bit clock that you have to use is 10 times 25 megahertz, and that's VGA resolution. The most I was able to get with the ESP32 was 40 megahertz in parallel mode as I2S. It's probably possible to get, maybe with some tricks, 80 megahertz, but not 250. Oh, the PCB for that board is open source. No, I didn't work with LilyGo. As you can see, I didn't even know this project today, so I'm not state of the art. But let's see how it compares. Okay, so the Pico Pi here, what's the price point of that? I'm wondering if it's really cheap, like the ESPs, then it's a good competition, I would say. But this is really, really insane. That's cool. That's finally HDMI and a simple package, and it's even open source. I'm really impressed. Well, they posted it at 4 a.m. Add some IPA to the fondue. Pico Pi is $4. Oh no. Okay. Guys, I will wrap this up because this isn't a Pico Pi stream. I will read up everything about the Pico Pi. I will order one, and we can do another stream on that topic. BitBang NTSC. Okay. I can do another update on the ESP32-lib Arduino library because I didn't change the version that is available in the library manager of the Arduino IDE. But in the master version, there is an implementation, BitBang implementation for NTSC and PAL for the ESP32-66 already. And I got, okay. Martin is doing a great work there. So Martin, I gave him administrative rights for the project, and he has got it. And I think, where is it? Is it the right branch? No. Yeah, it's the I think Martin did latest. Do I see anything here? Pull request. No, that's not what I meant. Source. It might not be committed yet. I have to check with Martin, but he managed to get everything working with ESP32 and ESP82-C3. So there is a working color PAL version similar to Charles' the lower implementation on NTSC and PAL, but no, Charles did it via RF, but Martin, you can see he does some moderating as well in the issues. He did some cool implementation for everything there, and I think that we will relaunch that complete code with all implemented, the graphics library, all implemented with sound on the ultra low coprocessor, VGA, PAL, NTSC for all the ESP controllers. Yeah, I need to check on this. I'm currently locked up with some stuff that I'm doing with the 3D printing, but yeah, I think that will be nice to see some progress there, and I'm really looking forward to the C3 and at the price point we will get, like the modules or yeah, the individual ICs that I have here, the C3F with integrated flash. Only like I think we only need like an external crystal and few passives to get it running. So the next thing would be that I check on the C3F IC that I have here, and we can solve a breakout board or something. I might have a crystal on oscillator here. 5. This must be the flash on chip version here. Let me switch again. Or am I wrong? Or is this already? It says C3F. And if you look at that's a pre-production version, I think, C3F. And if you look at the expressive side, products C3 series, no, where is it? I saw a comparison of the okay, C3F, 4 megabytes embedded in chip. Okay, and the individual ICs, no, that's the modules. Products, oh, socks here, C3, I was in the wrong. C3F, and the data sheet. Okay, this is really struggling here. Package information. Where's the info? Oh, that's not what I wanted. Okay, there is. Yeah. C3 embedded flash. And we don't have any other stuff. Oh, FH4. See you, Paul. C3FH4. Okay, where do you see it? C3F. Doesn't say anything else. Oh, yeah, H4D. There. You can see it here. Yeah. That's the spec. H4. And then some other stuff. High temperature. So it's the actual embedded flash IC. That's really cool. It must be. Let me check the email that I got from Jeroen. He mentioned some details. I'm not sure. No, okay, I don't read mails now. No, yeah, but it's okay. It looks like this is definitively the. I would say it's. Can we get in the IDF? Can we get the information of the IC? Did we get during the build time or? Some. Oh no, this was the other kit. The kit isn't the F version. This must be. We could also. There is one thing that we could do. We can try to desolder that thing here, but these are all like super tiny O2 or 1 components or 4 or 2. I'm not sure. They are really tiny. If we take that one off and the flash then put on the F version, it might work. Like a crude test method of the C3F swap chip. Yes, but then if I swap the chip, I also have to take off the flash. That's a thing I would totally do. Remember one time where I cooked an image sensor? Yeah, reading the ID, and here is the ID. The ID is lasered on the IC. You can see it. It says it's the F version for max. It's there. C3F. See, there is the C3F and there is the H4. H4 DZ0 blah 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 blah. Ship it to CO to replace. Yeah. Okay. I think that's the right one. We can try something. I'm not sure if there is some wiring. I would have to check what's the minimal circuit that we need to get that IC running. It's probably like only the oscillator here, the oscillator with some passives. 40 megahertz oscillator. I think I have some there. A few passives here. And that should be all. That's all, I think. That's all we got. My cheese is gone. I'll scrub off the hardened cheese later. Fondue cam was a total success. We could use it for debugging our stuff. Debug style. LDO? Oh yeah. But the LDO is there anyway, so I think I would power it directly from 3.3 volts. Or is there another one? No. No, that's oh, what's that? Is that an LDO? No. What is that? No, that's a diode. It's a diode. It looks like a diode. Yeah, minimal configuration. Cool. Nice. Okay, guys, thanks for the help. I think I will wrap this up right now. So, no, that's not my face here. Fondue cam. Where's the chat? Ah. No. Okay, like that. Thanks for joining. It was a blast. Excuse me for all the trouble with the stream in the beginning. It was really like a little bit messy, but we got IDF running the first time. That was like, it was easier than thought. Like a bash console is a little bit, uh, it looks difficult, but at the end the IDF Pi is working really nice, and yeah, I'm surprised. I just really need to, the only thing that I need, but I don't do anyways, is using like Arduino, like the Arduino stuff, like what's serial print or something. I'm not using it in the deeper code of my other libraries, so I think we might be even able to port something to the C3, and I'm wondering if we can use like an 8-bit output, but since this one is using okay, this dev kit, okay, yeah, whatever, has the LED. I see there are like 10 pins. So there are 10 pins that we can use. One is used for the LED already. There's like not 18 and 19. I'm not sure. Yeah, there are some GPIOs that we can use. So at least 8 bits can be used for, like, let's say, a 6-bit VGA stream and an external DAC. So I'm really keen to try how well this works with VGA. Let's try this next time. Fondue fork antenna. Okay, guys. Thanks for joining and thanks for the help with IDF. I need to set up everything. Get educated about my keyboard's controls and command. And that's all. Now I have to somehow end the stream. Bye.